the 12 days of Christmas cookies. It's a wonderful time of year. I'm actually started this a little bit early because I want y'all to be able to have the opportunity to have everything ready in your kitchen, have everything that you need to make these 12 recipes of cookies. And I feel like I've already gained some weight. Michael and I hit yesterday's candy jar pretty hard. So good. And I thank y'all so much. We sent out a request if y'all would please share your family's favorite Christmas cookie. So many of y'all responded. Was it hard pulling out the 12, Teresa?
Yes.
It was hard.
Yes.
Because there was so many recipes.
Yes.
But let's save them and we can do them along through the year. So I thank y'all so much for taking the time to share a piece of your family with our family. So today I'm going to be sharing Julie Cannon. And I think that may be her maiden name. Glumento, I think is probably her married name, Julie Glumento from Scranton, PA. I love when I get northern recipes because hopefully it's going to be new to this territory. So thank you, Julie. And she said, "Hi, Paula, here's my family's favorite Christmas cookie, Ricotta Cookies." And she said, it makes a lot. Makes like 48 cookies. And I don't need 48 cookies.
No, not when we're doing 12 days of cookies.
So Teresa, on the back of my piece of paper, this is what they're supposed to look like. That's Julie's. And they're very pretty. And you can do any kind of sprinkle you want on top.
And I guess any color of icing, because she looks like she made pink.
Yeah, I think she made pink. So Teresa on the back, since we don't need 48 cookies, like 24 cookies would be perfect. 24, 3, that's 8 apiece for us.
Exactly.
Eddie, you left your cookies last night and I put them in a Ziploc bag for you. Did you get them?
I saw. I had one this morning for
you did?
coffee. I forgot them done.
You're so disciplined.
I know.
I mean, it isn't sickening. It's
Kind of sickening.
It is. It's just good.
Yeah, he's strong willpower. All right, so Teresa has halved all the ingredients down for us. And we have 2 cups of flour. We have a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So we're just gonna mix those up and we're gonna put those aside. And I'm gonna give them a little twirl with my whisk. When you do it with your whisk, it's almost like sifting it, so I like that. All right, so that's ready. So I am going to cream my butter and my sugar. And Julie says she makes this cookie by hand. And I can understand that because she said you definitely don't want to overbeat this. But I am gonna use the hand mixer to cream my butter and sugar. Okay, that's it. I got our butter and our sugar combined. Now I'm gonna do as Julie says. I am going to do the rest by hand. And remember, we're halving her recipe. Wait. Oh, that's all right. That's all right. I was going to say, don't take my paper. That's mine.
I know to leave that, but I know we're going to need these again.
Thank you.
I'm going to go ahead and...
Thank you, Missy. All right, now I'm going to stir in 1 egg. And Julie says it's important not to overbeat this recipe. Beautiful golden pile of butter and sugar. They yellow by that beautiful egg. Speaking of eggs, we're almost getting ready to finish up our chicken coop. I can't hardly wait. I got to start finding some chickens to go in it. And I can't wait to show it to y'all. All right, now I'm gonna add our ricotta. And ricotta is very much like cottage cheese. It's only smoother. All right, Teresa, so you have half this recipe.
Yep.
And let's see what Miss Julie says. She said, add the eggs, mix well, add flour mixture slowly, and mix only till combined. Add extracts, and don't overmix this dough. I usually do the end by hand. Okay. So I'm following her instructions. So I'm gonna slowly add the flour. All right, I think I need to go ahead and to give it a little liquid, I think I need to go ahead and put in the extracts. And I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a half a teaspoon of almond. And I adore this combination. This is the one I do in my pound cakes. Actually, I do it reversed. I do pour it over a little bit because I love almond.
I'm gonna be disappointed if you do it before.
Well, I needed the liquid. All right, now at this point, y'all, I could put some food coloring in this dough. She doesn't say. It looks like she frosted. Oops. Looks like that ain't working out. It's a thick dough, y'all.
That might need to be retired.
Oh no, it's good. It's still way good. It's just a thick dough. I think it's still got a lot of life left in it, Teresa. Kind of like me.
That's
Might
for
need to
sure.
retire, but you ain't.
No, you do not need to retire.
Okay. So what do y'all think? Should I color our dough? Or should I just do it white and put the color in the frosting?
I say in the frosting, but then so you can do different colors for your ranch.
Yes, okay. All right, she said don't overmix. And mix till combined, add extracts. Don't overmix this dough. I usually do. Bake 350. So she does not say that she uses a teaspoon or a tablespoon.
She says a 60-inch. I think in there somewhere she says.
I don't see it.
Okay,
So help me.
Right here. She says don't overbake. I used a number 60 scoop for these, which I think is a tablespoon.
Oh, good. I didn't see that, and I could have sworn I read it good, but I didn't. You taking my placemat out my...
Oh, I did. Sorry. Let me get you your cow.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's all right. All right. So we got our parchment paper lined cookie sheet. And let me tell you, Teresa introduced this stuff to me that I just love. It's parchment paper folded, and you get it and it's folded up like this, rather than the roll that I've always used, and it'll curl up and it won't stay on your cookie sheet. It just keeps rolling right back up like a window shade. And so this is great. Do you have it around, Teresa? I'll show everybody. Oh, there it is, right there, Eddie. I like this because we don't have to, roll it and put it in the refrigerator. Just go right to it.
Yeah, this is easy.
And I would, if you're doing a lot of different cookies for Christmas to share with family and friends, I would definitely recommend halving this recipe, unless this is the only cookie you're making for the holiday, and then you'd want to go ahead and use the full recipe. So Julie, if I made half your recipe, it should have yielded me 24 cookies. So this is 20, 22, 24 with 2 extra. So I might have been a little shy on my dough on some of them. But we're ready to put them in the oven, and we're gonna bake them in a 350 degree oven for about 10 minutes. Well, Julie Cannon's ricotta Christmas cookies we've baked off, and they look beautiful. They're completely cool. So I'm gonna make a little frosting. Now, she doesn't give us measurements on how much she used, so play that by ear. I probably have 2 cups of powdered sugar, maybe a cup and a half in here. And she said her liquid, let's see, I frosted with powdered sugar and lemon juice. So the lemon juice is the liquid. So, you know, a little liquid goes a long way in powdered sugar. So let's see if half a lemon will do it. I think I like the way that lemon juice is going to connect with the ricotta. I think it's going to be very good. Okay, I think we'll need a little bit more. Maybe the juice from a whole lemon. We'll see. I love my old-timey juicer. It's real old. And I found it at an antique shop, you know, where you can find junk and some good stuff. And I just love the idea of juicing without getting seeds in my whatever I'm baking. Okay, so here we go. We'll pull this closer to me so I can really get down and dirty with it. Oh, you know what? My Aunt Beth gave me my Uncle Bob's juicer that he had when they married. I should have plugged that in and used his juicer. I adore that, and I keep it right where I can see it, right there in the pantry. You want to show everybody, Eddie? Uncle Bob's juicer. Love it. Isn't it neat looking? I love it. All right, so far I have the juice from a lemon and a half, and those lemons are not the juiciest. So I just want to kind of beat the lumps out of it without putting up the mixer, without setting it up. But I think I might have to in order to get all the lumps out, since I didn't sift the powdered sugar. I think that's way too thin, because that will wind up just being a glaze, won't it, Eddie?
Yeah, the picture looks like
It
frosting.
looks stiff, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to add a little bit more confectionate sugar. And you could just put a nice soft glaze on them, or you can make a thicker icing, and so you have more control over where it goes on your cookie, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna add pure lemon extract. I'm gonna add just a wee little bit. I added about half a teaspoon. Didn't mean to. Now you could actually make any kind of frosting you wanted for this cookie. You could make a cream cheese icing. Well, look who just came in.
Hey,
Hey,
Santa Claus.
my cookie monster has arrived.
I
y'all.
thought I smelled cookies.
I'm telling you, you know how to pick them.
Do you need me to taste them?
I just might need your assistance.
Well, I'm the man for the job.
I know you are. All right, I'm gonna color these a little bit, Mikey. You're not opposed to eating a pink, slightly tinted pink cookie, are you?
You can color it any color you want. I'll eat it.
Okay.
I'll eat a nasty cookie.
All right, now I got some pink, and Eddie told me to make the pink deeper, that we needed to add a little drop of orange to our pink. Look how pretty that is. Well, look, every one of my little things are wanting to come off. All right, here we go. Do you want sprinkles or no sprinkles?
No sprinkles.
Perfect.
On a diet.
I'm gonna have to get my knife. I can't do it with a soft spatula. So no sprinkles.
No sprinkles. On a diet.
There you go,
Well, I have
Captain.
extra icing.
You want extra icing?
Because that's on my diet.
You're so full of it.
Mm.
Huh?
Delicious.
Good. You know what kind it is? You want to guess?
Lemon salt.
Yes, it's lemon and something. Ricotta. Ricotta cheese. Isn't
I
it?
would never get that.
I know.
You want some help?
I would love some help, sister. Caught me with my mouth full, Eddie. Julie, your ricotta cookies are just delicious. I decided not to put any sprinkles on mine because Michael's dieting and he didn't want the extra calories. He said, "What are you eating now, Michael?"
I just got to test all of these. Just make sure they're okay.
This is so delicious. It reminds me something like we're getting ready to have a party for a bunch of little girls. They're just sweet and feminine looking, aren't they? Like little girls. Thank you, Julie. So good. I so appreciate y'all sharing yourselves with the rest of us. Because to me, that just represents love. And I thank you, Julie.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.